Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much the picture to be trimmed? So now I'll introduce the character Salil. So now he is Salil, and now the picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter wide. So now this is the picture which need to be framed. The next sentence you can read, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter wide. So now this is the picture. So now if you are going to place the picture like this, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10. So now what you need to do, so this need to be trimmed. So if you want this to be trimmed, what you need to do, you need to subtract 7.3 by 5 and 7.3 by 10 should be subtracted. Okay. So now first we will write the statements. The picture is 7.3 by centimeter wide. So the width of the picture is equal to 7.3 by 5 centimeter. Now the width of the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter. So what you need to do? So it should be trimmed. So now the width, both the widths, what you need to do? So here it is 7.3 by 5 and here it is 7.3 by 10. So now this should not be more than 7.3 by 10. So now what you need to do? Now this should be trimmed. So this part should be trimmed. If you want to trim this, what you need to do? You have to cut it out. If you want to cut it out, you can do it with the paper like this. If it is given, you can cut it out. But when we are solving the problem, when you are cutting it out, what you should do? You need to subtract. How much the picture should be trimmed? So the width of the picture that should be trimmed is equal to 7.3 by 5 minus 7.3 by 10. So now here you can see 7 and 7, they both are common, right? So now what you can do, that you can just put it in the bracket here, and now this will be 3 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Okay. So now from both we are going to subtract. So here 5 and 10, I had already told you, when you have one prime number and the other number, now this is the fraction, what do you get? So that will be 10 here. So this is the LCM, 10 is the LCM. So here 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 3, so that is equal to, so 3 by 10 part is the width that should be trimmed. Okay, this 7 we are not going to consider it because that is the entire frame. So now we are going to check only the what part of it is going to be trimmed. So the part which is going to be trimmed is 3 by 10 of it should be trimmed. If you want, I will just show you even in the other fraction. So now you can write this in the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction it is given, you have to write it in the improper fraction. So this will be 7 5s are 35. So it will be 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. So that will be equal to So here 5 and 10 is LCM, so it will be 38 into 2. So that will be equal to 76 minus 73 by 10. So that is equal to 3 by 10. Here we are going to subtract the 7 and 7. We are going to remove it outside. When it is addition, we will add. So now here it will be 7 minus 7. So we will not consider this. So now this only we are going to take. So the answer is 3 by 10 of the picture need to be trimmed. So this is what you are going to get after you trim. Okay.